You know that I love coffee, don't you? So, what are you waiting for? I don't have. Buy me one here. The link in the description down below. I would appreciate it. Thank you in advance. What is going on, agents for call center? In today's lesson, you are going to learn how to hack the customer using the NATO alphabet in a call center. And we're starting right now.
Okay, I'm going to put you on hold for a moment.
There are going to be some moments when the customer doesn't want to share anything. He doesn't want to share any type of information with you. To the point that the customer might say something like, yes, my name is Lily Bob. And you will be like, what? What did you just say? What? What did you just say? And the customer again like, Lily Bob. And you, my friend, my future agents for call center, instead of saying, could you repeat that again? You need to use the following technique. Technique number one, you need to ask the customer, hold on, wait a second, I have it just right here. Gosh, where is it? Ah, I got it. Would you mind repeating that? Repeat it one more time. Would you mind repeating that? And the customer again will be like, Lily Bob. And this is the moment when you are gonna use the NATO alphabet in a call center. I'm gonna show you a lesson where you can use this alphabet. But before I give you the lesson, I want to know, my God, I know she needs to sell, but right now in the middle of the video, it is what it is. So as I was saying, before I actually give you the lesson, one of the things that I want you to do is to pay attention to the following information from the customer. And let me know in the comments down below if you were able to listen to what the customer said. So you have 30 seconds now. Come on, let's do it.
B as in Bravo, O as in Oscar, B as in Bravo. You got it?
Did you do it? Were you able to understand what the customer said? Because if you didn't, the number one thing that you need to ask the customer is, would you mind repeating that? And you need to pay attention to what the customer is going to say. So if the customer says, my name is Lily Bob, so you understand that her first name is Lily, but the second name, which is her last name, you might have an idea how to spell it, but you need to make sure what actually her last name is, because guess what? If you don't have the right information from the customer, who are you gonna send the product to? Who are you gonna charge? And then if you don't have that proper information, you, my future agent for call center, you might be in some problems afterwards. But anyway, I don't wanna get into that. I want you to hack the customer, especially when the customer, they don't want to share any type of information with you, or they simply, it's pretty difficult for them to speak out loud. If you were able to listen, Bob, the following thing that you need to do is ask her name again, but this time using the NATO alphabet. And you're gonna start like this. Lily, is your last name B as in Bravo? And then she's gonna say yes, and then you might ask the customer, would you mind spell it again for me? And this is the moment when the customer is going to spell it back to you, but using the NATO alphabet. And if you don't know what the NATO alphabet is, it's a simple way to spell things to customer over the phone. Especially over the phone, because sometimes customers' names are really, really difficult to understand and to write them down, because as you may know, English is not the kind of language that if you say a word, you're gonna write it down that way. Like, you know, right? Like the example of table is not table, is T-A-B-L-E, the way that you spell that out. However, the same thing is gonna happen to you in the call center industry. You need to know how to use the NATO alphabet. So I'm gonna be giving you the following class in order for you to use it, and by the end of the class, I'm gonna be challenging you with an exercise, a listening exercise, in order for you to develop your spelling skills. using the NATO alphabet in the call center industry.
Let's go ahead and do this. All right. 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay. A as in alpha, B as in Bravo, C as in Charlie, D as in Delta, A as in
Observation, A or E?
E. E as in Echo, F as in Foxtrot, G is no, G as in Golf, H as in Hotel, and I as in India, J no
Yeah, J.
J as in Juliet, K as in Kilo, L as in Lima, M as in Mike.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. I appreciate that. Now, Fernanda, come on. It's your turn. 1, 2, 3, go.
N as November.
Hold on. Wait a second. As in. Remember, as in. As in.
N as in November. O as in Oscar. P as in Papa. Q as in Quebec. R as in Romeo. S as in
Romeo.
S as in Sierra. T as in Tango. U as in uniform. V as in Victor. W as in whiskey. X as in X-ray. J as in Yankee.
J or Y?
Y, sorry. Y as in Yankee. C as in Zulu.
As in Zulu, right? One more observation. X as in X-ray. One more time.
X as in X-ray.
Beautiful. Fantastic. Congratulations. So you know the NATO alphabet now.
So I want you to pay attention to the following exercise, and one more time, let me know in the comments down below if you were able to spell what the customer is saying. Let's get started.
May I have your name, Mr. Customer? Sure. Let me give you my name. Gary D. Montgomery. Sorry about that background. One more time, here we go. Gary D. Montgomery. M is in Mag, O is in Oscar, N is in November, T is in Tango. G is in girl. O is in Oscar again. M is in Mag. E is in Echo. R is in Romeo. O is in Yankee. Do you have it? Mr. Customer, in order for me to help you out, may I have your first and last name? Sure. My first name is Paul and my last name is Mendes. Excuse me, Mr. Customer, can you repeat your last name again? Mendes. I'm sorry, did you say Amazon Mike? Yeah. I said that already, my last name. You want me to repeat it again? Mike Echo November Delta Echo again, Z is in Zulu. You got it? Thank you very much for calling Nesting ACC. My name is Nestor. May I have your name, please? Yes, my name is Alberto K. Walker. Excuse me, could you repeat your last name? Walker. Are you saying W as whiskey? Yeah, I'm saying that. A as in alpha? Oh my god. Here we go again. Walker. Whiskey, Alpha, Lima, Kilo, Echo, Romeo. You got it? If you would like to support this channel, the only thing that you need to do is the following. I want you to follow me. Come here. And voila. Just below every single video, it says right here, thanks. Right there it says thanks. And if you click where it says thanks, you can support this channel. You see?
It's not a big deal. Oh my God, hold on, wait a second. Let me show you one more time. You go to thanks and you can support this channel. You see, with 50 Cordovas, 125 Cordovas, 250 Cordovas, or 1,250 Cordovas. And then you select the best option. What do you think about that option? Isn't that cool? And then you go where it says buy and send. And by doing that, you are supporting this YouTube channel. I would appreciate your support. And if you cannot support like that, so this is another way for you to support. Thank you very much. Subscribe now. So what do you think about this activity? If you find this useful, remember to smash that like button, tap the notification bell, share among your friends if it's needed, and do not forget to subscribe. Because by subscribing, you are telling me that this video, you find it useful, and I can give you more exercise where you can practice your active listening skills. And remember the coffee, okay? Just go to the description down below. You see? I don't have. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye for now.
How may I help you?
Yeah, I bought a product from you guys and it's broken, but it's still under warranty.
Okay, I'm going to put you on hold for a moment.